Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera to my respected supervisor, Puan Siti Rohana binti Muhammad and my examiner, Dr. Nadia binti Nordin. We are from Group 31. We present the e-poster for multidisciplinary research on entrepreneurship and business ecology 2022-2023. The title of our project is a study on the awareness of the Islamic banking system among UMK students. So now I'm going to present for introduction. The Islamic banking system is a banking system where the principle of operation and practice is based on Islamic law. The increase in the Muslim population and the recognition of Islamic value caused a greater demand for product and service of the Islamic banking system. But the majority of banking users still do not practice or may still not know about the Islamic banking system, especially among university students. By 2020, Bank Negara Malaysia target is to achieve a 40% market share of the local financial industry from Islamic banking. Therefore, before implementing an appropriate strategy in attracting potential customers, it is important to first understand the factor that cause a lack of awareness and understanding.
Next, our research used objective to examine the relationship between knowledge, background, educational status, and product quality on the level of awareness of the Islamic banking system among UMK students.
For materials and method, the study was designed based on quantitative research as a research approach. For data collection, the study used primary data collection method through questionnaire using Google Form. The target population of this study is 6,805 UMK students and 364 respondents were selected as a sample of the study. This research has used a simple random sampling technique to find the target respondent, and finally the data from this study was compiled and analyzed using SPSS.
We continue with result. The table shows summary of the mean and standard deviation for the item used to measure the variable. The higher mean of 4.28 for the item of knowledge and standard deviation 0.691. Next, higher mean of 3.67 for the item on background with standard deviation 1.153. Moreover, highest mean of 4.02 for the item on status education with standard deviation 0.939. Lastly, higher mean for 1.12, 4.12 for the item on product quality with standard deviation 0.867. Next, for the reliability analysis Cronbrush Alpha. Cronbrush Alpha for knowledge is 0.893. Next, background is 0.947. After that, status of education is 0.926. Lastly, product quality is 0.926. Next, for the result of present correlation. For H1, knowledge has the positive relationship with dependent variable with p-value 0.824 and H1 is accepted. For H2, background has a positive relationship with dependent variable with p-value 0.817 and H2 is accepted. For H3, status of education has a positive relationship with dependent variable with p-value 0.800 and H3 is accepted. For H4, product quality has a positive relationship with dependent variable with p-value 0.807 and H4 is accepted. For conclusion, the main purpose of this research is to find out the factor that influence the awareness of the Islamic banking system among UMK students. The findings indicate that knowledge, background, education status, and product have a significant relationship with the awareness of the Islamic banking system among UMK students. The data from the survey has analyzed using SPSS, and frequency analysis, descriptive analysis, reliability analysis, and person correlation that resulted for independent variable have a strong relationship with dependent variable. One of the reference our group used is from Salam Abdullah. The title is Perbezaan Agama, Tahap Pendidikan dan Umur terhadap Kesedaran kepada Produk dan Perkhidmatan Perbankan Islam dalam kalangan bukan Islam.
First and foremost, we would like to record our thanks to our coordinations, Dr. Siti Nur Zahira binti Cik Tahrim and Dr. Muhammad Zulkifli bin Muhammad. Also like to thank the supervisor, Madam Siti Rohana binti Muhammad, for the briefings and guidance on how to solve the challenges that arose during the conduct and completions of this research. Thank you to our coordinations and supervisor for sacrificing times to coach and guide us and provide answer and guidance to all of our questions and misunderstanding.